Now, artists find inspiration in a lot of different places. Right now, we're down at Trail of Tears State Park, and this is the Shepherd Point Trailhead. And when you come to places like this, not only are you looking for whatever it is that makes it beautiful, you should also be looking for quietness and peace, inspiration from the natural environment for your art. If you're a photographer, remember to look not only at the big picture, but also at the little things. Because so many people pass by incredibly beautiful things, never even realizing